you very much for joining us this morning. And once again, welcome to Scout Ranger Half Marathon.
One, two, three. One, two, three. Thank you po, sir, ma'am.
Padalyan. Woo! Congratulations, ma'am. She will receive a 3,000 pesos for our honor to share this memorable day filled with laughter, camaraderie, and a whole lot of fun. So thank you very much, sir and ma'am.
And that officially ends our Scout Ranger Half Marathon 2025. We hope to see your familiar faces in the next run for a cause.
Thank you so much. Mabuhay tayong lahat. To God be all the glory.
Once again, this is Lieutenant Absalom, your military architect.
And I am Primary First Class Princess Cortez.
Signing off. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.
Happy